Hello, this is Stephen, and this video teach you how to install our ultrasonic drilling machine. First, this is the generator. This is for the main power and 220 voltages. And this is for the fan. Is here. Fan plug here. And this is for the water pump. Water pump, you see? This is the water pump. This is the fan. And this is contact to the conversation hand. This line. Conversation hand. This line. Conversation hand. And this is the pump. This is the fan. And this is to the main power. To the 200 and 220. And the water from here to the bead directly. That's it.